I got the grocery deliveries from RAASHAN CART. They are very unprofessional people. They use very bad packing. You can see that the packing is damaged. Use second-hand cartons. They charge very high for shipping, but they always use this thing and to save shipping cost. They pack like this. They pack 5 kg rice bag on snacks and biscuits, so you can imagine what is the situation on the downside. See, most of packets are banned and the biscuits damaged. And the seller attitude is very bad. He always blame on the shipping company. They don't say that this is their staff mistake. They don't know how to pack. And when they charge so high, and they pay packs like this. So avoid shopping with RAASHAN cart. That's my best advice for you guys. Otherwise you will guys also face the same problems.